Ka sorkar jilla kalapan bana banbu hinyautli ki border outpost ha ki hinyautli ki jaka bama ha khappud ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Yakani la ongdo menteri rangba hadin ka jingalang jong ka kinhon menteri ha ka arpu kendai tri ku benai nai weng ar hajar arpu a. Konrad sangma ula ong ba kini ki BOPs ki banbu ha khappud ka Assam bat Meghalaya ki kinthub ha ka snong Muriap ha East Jaintia Hills, Mukro bat Tiwe ha West Jaintia Hills, Rani Jirang Haribhoi but Wali Leja Dubi but Langpi ha West Khasi Hills. Ka cabinet kala shim yakani ka rai hadin ka jingja siat pathar ki polit Assam ha ubnai naiwing arpu artarik ha mukro ka balawanra ka jingyap ki sangut ki nongsong snong ka mukro but uway nong trey ka forest guard ka Assam. Konrad ula ong ba ka way ka BOP ka jinglut kan kot hadu kumba arkelor shisnam.
Most important decision for today was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jaintia Hills in Muriap, in West Jaintia Hills in Mukro and Tiwai, BOP number 3. This is in West Jaintia Hills. In Ribhoi, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Wali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patharkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Ribhoi district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to cut the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences within Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Ribhoi district. So Ribhoi also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Ribhoi area. So these are the major decisions that were made today in the cabinet. BOP, there is roughly an expenditure of about 2 crores annually, and in an outpost about 1.5 crores. It's plus minus depending on the exact manpower that will be there. So if you're talking about 7 of them right now, it's about 14 crores of expenditure annually in the BOPs, and roughly about in the other locations about 3 to 4 crores. So we're looking at this decision leading to an impact of about 17 to 18 crores roughly. Again, I can be wrong by a few percentage or amounts, but that's roughly the expenditure to be incurred.
So what about the manpower, the strength of the...
Yeah, so basically what we have to realize is that in the past, in many locations, the BOPs were set up. But the BOPs were set up without actual sanction. And hence the manpower was brought in from the district or from other police stations or other outposts and posted there on a form of a temporary basis. So when we say we are sanctioning this, that means there will be budgetary provision kept for the post. Post will be sanctioned and recruitments will be done to fill this up. But of course, in the meantime, while that takes place, manpower from other areas will be adjusted. But these will be sanctioned posts, and hence they will have to be filled up.